Hi, my name is Tatiana Banks,
And my name is Aiden Minks.
and today we'll be teaching you how to make straw pipette rockets.
Perfect.
Here are the materials you will need: a straw, a pipette, scissors,
A piece of paper, a tape roll, and crayons.
Optionally, you can have tissue paper.
Give it a second. First, you will design the shape of the rocket that you will cut out. Alright. Now that we've designed and personalized our rockets, we are now going to set up. First step is cutting your pipette. We are going to cut the pipette until the first marking. You can insert your straw. I got it online. Now it is time for blast off. Test your rocket by blowing through the straw, and your rocket should go flying in the air. Should I try mine too? Or? Now, an alternative way to use your rocket is to place your rocket with the straw inserted on the table and bend the straw up so it's towards your mouth and shoot it across the table. Now, test your rocket by blowing on it at different angles to see how far it will affect your rocket. Try adding another fin to your rocket to see how it affects the distance. Now enjoy your pipette. Now enjoy your pipette rockets.